Guys, today we're in El Mesón Nerudiano, a restaurant named after Chile's most famous poet, Pablo Neruda. And we're going to be making a Conger Eel Soup, which was his recipe because he used to make this for his wife. Today, though, I'm going to make it for my wife. Right, come on, let's go to the kitchens.
I'm out of my tree.
Okay, I'm here with Angela, and she's our chef for today, and she's going to show us how to prepare this, literally from the beginning. Thank you very much. Muchas gracias por invitarnos acá. Okay, the star. Let me have a look.
Anguila de aguas profundas.
Pero, ¿este es un niño o es un adulto?
Es un adulto.
Ya
es un adulto.
Sí.
Igual hay más grandes,
Sí.
pero ya es adulto.
Okay.
Se nota, los dientes son...
Mira. Take a look at that. Foul breath. This is, as far as I know, it's a deep sea fish. So this is not an eel, conger eel. It's actually a fish, but it kind of looks a little bit like one. And I've been told that this is a fully grown one. So this is what we'll be using. Vamos, Chile! Okay.
La cabeza.
Okay.
Ahí.
All right.
Vuelta. Vuelta. Y...
Y snap. Okay, so this is how to take the head off, guys.
Ahí está.
Okay. So, y vamos a usar esta
cabecita la vamos a usar para hacer un fumé de congrio, de cabeza de congrio, donde le va a dar todo el sabor, ¿ya? Esto viene
Okay.
al agua.
Into the water. Okay, so Angela is just saying that this is where most of the taste is.
Verduras para darle sabor. Tomate, apio, zanahorias. Ahí.
So you see that there, Lucy? So we've got tomato, celery. What else is there? Carrot.
Se cocina y da como resultado.
Yeah. Okay, so that's not like a soft drink. Okay, this is the actual stock. So after this kind of boils away for ¿cuánto tiempo se hace esta?
Como una hora.
Right, I'm gonna say something. That does not smell good, but I'm sure it's gonna taste very good.
Caliente.
Hot.
Con aceite.
Sunflower oil, yeah. Cebolla, onions. Carrots go in.
Zanahoria.
Yes, a red pepper.
Más laurel.
Okay, and laurel, a couple of laurel leaves. Oregano, yeah. Okay, we'll leave it here. I'll try this little trick here. Here, watch. Okay.
Be careful! Be careful!
More of that. Okay, so we have 3 pieces. Look, have a look at that. That looks gorgeous, doesn't it? That's really, really nice. This is the essential part.
Concentrado de tomate.
Okay, so
Tomato paste.
yeah, so like tomato puree. Tomato puree. That's it. That's good. Look at that. Right, let's just mix that up. That was probably about 2 large tablespoons.
Sal. Orégano.
Okay. Right, salt this up. Normal table salt here. Yes, okay, so this is a garlic sauce, if you like. Right, the stock goes in. So that is our soup. Where's it at? 1 prawn. Very exact recipe. Hey, maybe Neruda was a little bit stingy with his wife, yeah? He only gave her 1 prawn. Okay guys, so we've just put the stock in. You have to wait till that starts to bubble and then we can put our fish in. This whole process is about a 25-minute cook, so it's pretty fast. Okay, now the head chef, Claudio is his name. There he is, can you see him? That's Claudio. He won an award for this particular dish.
Number 1.
Number 1? Excellent. Maybe I'll just put a bit more oregano in. Very good. Wow. All right, the chef man is coming. Claudio, is it good?
Okay, good trade.
Award-winning chef thinks Mac is brilliant. Here we go. There's a piece of conger eel. Now we put in the soup. Last bit, the camarón. This is the prawn. Cilantro. That is raw, but that will cook.
Y crema de leche.
Okay, and cream. This is milk cream. Stir it up a little bit. Okay, I'm going to just push that prawn down to make sure that actually gets cooked. And that's it. Now, you can see, have a look at the colours. There's a lot of stuff going on here, but look at that beautiful colours that you're getting. With your cilantro, you've got your piece of white fish here, the peppers. Yeah. Wow, amazing. Oh, that's very nice, that wine. I must find out what it is. Okay. Moment of truth, let's go. Oh yeah, that's really good. Yeah, very smooth. That's very, very tasty. Honestly, I was a little bit skeptical when I smelt that stock at the beginning. My God, I almost retched. But here, it doesn't. It's blended all in together. It's a lot more of a subtle taste. Okay, I'm curious. I haven't had this fish for about 10 years. So, quite a bite to this conger eel fish. It's really good. It's quite firm fish. Not too oily though. Okay, Lucy, time for you to try a bit of this.
I think I've never tried this Conger Eel Soup before, ever. This soup is really good.
Yeah. Lucy, you're enjoying that in the shadow of Pablo Neruda behind you there. Look at that. Yeah, you see him there pouring himself a glass of wine.
Cheers.
Cheers. Great. Okay, guys, look, that was a big hit, and I know, Lucy, you loved that, so
I loved it.
Yeah, I'll definitely be making that again. Actually, I have a dinner party tomorrow, and I'm actually thinking I might make this as well for the boys. We'll see. Ángela, muchas gracias por enseñarnos. Sí. Está, sí, de verdad está excelente. No, para mí, la toque es la crema.
Ah, sí.
Yo pienso la crema, el toque al final.
Toque de crema.
Excelente. Muchas gracias de nuevo, ¿eh?
De nada. Me alegro que le haya gustado.
Sí. Thank you very much. If you do come to Santiago, his house is very, very close. So I suggest go in the morning. Visit his house. It's a museum. He loves to collect things from all around the world. Ornaments, trinkets, and so on. So go there and then come here and have this caldillo for lunch. Well, guys, what do you think about that? We absolutely love that dish. Now, you know what you have to do? You have to pass the notifications, you have to click the notifications, you have to put a comment on the notifications, you have to send this to your friends, you have to send it to your enemies, but whatever you do, you have to catch us in the next adventure. And until then, take it easy, but take it